Hey, Adam here with 4x4TruckLEDs.com. Today I'm bringing you guys a long-awaited triple fog light kit that we've been working on for the new Broncos. This is our new triple fog light bracket where it's got the nice flush design here. Bod Designs actually, this is how they actually sell their kits. As far as the Gen 3 Raptors and the new Broncos, they've been using like this flush mount kind of bezel. Problem was they were, we couldn't get them in stock because there's such high demand. So we ended up developing a similar bracket. It's similar in the fact that, it mounts one 3-inch and two 2-inch lights. But what we did a little bit different was the way they mount. We have basically, this is a one-piece design bezel or bracket, if you want to call it, where it's one piece. There's no additional parts to it. This allows you to get a more durable and rugged install where it doesn't move around, which is really nice. The biggest benefit is you can run diodynamic lights. We've had many requests to have that style bracket system available with diodynamic lights. And so we sat there, as most of you know, for months, redeveloping it. And we finally, came out with a couple prototypes that didn't quite suit our needs. And this is the final result. It's a stainless steel piece, powder coated, made here in the United States, has a lifetime warranty, and you get them with either Bod Designs or diodynamic lights. And we've got stock on both. So once these show up in about the end of February, first week in March, they're going to be shipping right out. Again, we include our harness too, which is really cool. I can give you a kind of a peek. Our harness, it's a one-piece harness, and you get your 3 plugs right on the end of it. These plug right into the lights. It doesn't matter what the combination is. The harness is set up for it. This harness right now is set up for 2 SSC 3-inch lights and a 2-inch light. So you can see the different harnesses on the, or the different ends on here. But no matter what system you develop or design, we're going to ship you the right harness. And just one quick final update. Let's show you guys what it looks like with the Bod Design lights installed. So there you go. You can fit one Squadron and a pair of S2 in here. Now you'll notice that the S2s are a little bit smaller than the Diodynamics SSC2s, so you will have that gap on the bottom. But that's pretty much how it's always going to be with the bezel systems, be it the Bod Designs Fog Pocket Kit or our KRO4 brackets, where you're going to have that gap. You really need it, especially with ours, because it works with both lights. But honestly, that's a pretty killer look. And again, you can actually move the lights up and down if you need to. You can aim them off to the side. Whatever you really need to do as far as your installation goes, you can do with this system. It's a really nice system. Again, that powder coating is going to keep it really hidden. If you're looking up close, you're going to see that nice bezel design. It kind of ties into the whole truck. So that is available as well.